In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Google Chat within Gmail step by step to streamline your communication and collaboration needs. To begin this journey, open your Chrome browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, make sure to log in with your Google account, as this is an essential step to access the various features we'll be covering today. Now that you're logged in, let's start by enabling Google Chat. You'll need to locate the gear icon, also known as your settings icon, in the upper right-hand corner of the Gmail interface. Give it a click, then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a host of options. At the top, you'll notice several tabs. Go ahead and select the Chat and Meet tab. Here's where you'll enable Google Chat by clicking the appropriate option. Be sure to save these changes to reload Gmail with the chat sidebar at the ready on the left-hand side. With Google Chat now enabled, we're ready to dive into Gmail Chat. Take a look to the left of your screen where you'll see Chat nestled right under the mail icon. A simple click on Chat will unveil your chat contacts and rooms, opening up a world of conversation possibilities at your fingertips. To initiate a new chat, find the plus sign immediately next to the chat label. Clicking on this will give you the option to start chat. Here, you can enter the name or email address of the person you wish to connect with. It's just like sending an email, but in real time. Once you've typed your message, press enter to send it. If you're looking to create or join rooms for more dynamic interactions, look no further than the Rooms section. By clicking the plus sign next to Rooms, you'll be prompted to either create a new room or find an existing one. When creating a room, you're encouraged to add participants and provide an engaging name for your room. These spaces are ideal for team chats, sharing files, or hosting group discussions, enhancing collaboration within groups large and small. Now that you're part of the chat ecosystem, let's explore some of the exciting chat features at your disposal. You can send files effortlessly by clicking the paperclip icon. Choose files from your computer or your Google Drive to add depth and context to your conversations. To bring a dash of personality into the mix, use emojis or react to messages by clicking the smiley face. Searching within your chat history is a breeze. Simply utilize the search bar located at the top of Gmail and filter specifically for chat messages. Lastly, to manage how you're notified, adjust notification settings for each chat by clicking Options, represented by the 3 vertical dots, followed by Notifications. And there you have it. You're all set with Google Chat and Gmail. We hope this walkthrough has empowered you to make the most of these features to enhance your productivity and organization. Thanks for joining us today.